Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so number one, we need to list 4 numbers that are rational, but are not also integers. So remember our Venn diagram from today, we had whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 100. We had integers, which includes the 0, 1, 2, 3, 100 from the whole numbers, but also includes the negative versions, -1, -2, -100. And then in the biggest circle, we have rational numbers. Rational numbers are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 100. They are the -1, -2, -3, -100. But in this rational only level, they're the fractions and the decimals. So give me 4 fraction and decimal examples. They can be positive or negative, but they can't be whole numbers or they can't be just negative numbers. They have to have that little extra bit that makes them rational. Number 2, Aloda says that 0 cannot be an integer. I'm going to stop reading right there because I like to chunk them by statement. That's one statement. Cannot be an integer. 0 goes here in the whole numbers. Yes or no? Does this circle for integers have 0 inside of it? Yep, it's right there. So this is not true already. He says because it's a whole number. Well, we agree that it's a whole number, but his logic of it can only be one and not both is wrong. So write me a sentence that says he's incorrect or he's wrong, but then you also need to explain why. Because a number can be more than one thing, because the whole number circle is inside the integer circle, so it's both. Hey, also, did you know that 0 is also a rational number? Something along those lines. All right, number 3 is all the true falses. If you were paying attention in class, we said cross out B and cross out C because we haven't learned about adding and subtracting integers yet. That's next week. So you're telling me true or false, and it might help you a lot to look at that kind of sketch or draw one out yourself to check if each statement is true or false. Because sometimes the all or the sum, when we're talking about different types of numbers, can get a little confusing. So give me the true falses here, and then you're done with your homework.